Hi friends, I am just coming on with a Tuesday tip today to show you how to use big dies. So this is the Amber Autumns. It's coming available September 3rd. It has some nice red rubber stamps and it has 5 dies that will die cut. These 2 will die cut stamped images and these are independent. And this is a nice big leaf die. But it doesn't have edges, so it only leaves this kind of a look. It does not cut out a frame. But I'm going to show you how you can die cut this and get it pretty much all out so you don't have a lot of pieces to poke out. So we'll get started. So I'm starting with a piece of pumpkin pie that's 5 by 4 1/4. This measures roughly 3 3/4 by 5, roughly. And I'm going to lay it on here. Try and center it a little bit. Use some tape. You know, this is the typical way that you lay your die, facing down. But I am going to do something a little different, and I'm going to turn it around. Okay, and now I'm going to roll it through. And because it's so detailed, I'm going to do it a couple times. Let's see how that goes. And it looks like everything was cut out. So let's see if we can peel it away and if most of the stuff will come out. I hope so. Try not to tear it. But it looks like it's coming out pretty good. Wow. Yep. Look at that. It only left a few bits and pieces. I think that's great. That is great. It's great that they stayed in the dies like that. And then I generally just whack the dies a few times to get all the bits and pieces out. But yeah, this is just a really nice die. I really like it. Now, to emboss with a die, we're going to do a little bit of a different setup. So we are going to use a silicone mat. I've had this for a very long time. And we need to put the plate in. Used it for a very long time. I got it years ago when Stampin' Up had a kit for die cutting or embossing with your dies. So I have the silicone mat underneath my cardstock and then the die facing down. And I really want that to stay right there, but I know something sticky won't stick to it. And then put the other plate on top, and we will roll it through and see what happens. Some dies do better than others, but you'll get the idea. And there you have it. It's an embossed image. That's the back side. Okay. So 2 different ways with the same die. So I hope you give this a try. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.